Hello everyone.
The First National Bank has issued a notice to terminate former President Jacob Zuma's bank accounts in which his 7.8 million rand VBS loan was deposited. According to 6 independent sources, the Jacob Zuma Foundation confirmed in a phone call with one of his associates that FNB had served him with the correspondence. According to Sunday World publication, a notice to terminate Zuma's banking facilities through which he received his monthly salary and other government benefits as a former president was issued last month because he is politically exposed. One of Zuma's lawyers told the publication that FNB closed Zuma's account as part of a well-orchestrated campaign to continue harassing him. In its letters, the bank claimed it was closing the accounts because that's where the VBS loan was paid into. But this was an officially applied for loan in 2016, not a bribe. And now they decide to close my client's account in 2024, less than 3 months after he launched a new political party. Is that a coincidence? FNB failed to answer 4 questions sent to it and said due to client confidentiality, FNB cannot comment on specific bank accounts. The lawyer went on to say that the bank claimed that Zuma has been politically exposed, but they can't prove any crime he has committed or show any irregular transactions on his accounts, and said the latest developments are clear indications that banks in this country are a law unto themselves, and said banks in this country can wake up one morning and close your accounts without any recourse because someone powerful has whispered something into their ears. Banks in this country have been weaponized, and the closing of Zuma's accounts is a clear indication that banks in this country are a law unto themselves. Another Zumas Ally questioned why the bank did not close the former president's account at the height of the Gupta scandal and said, "We are told that Guptas used their close proximity to Zuma to milk our government and stole billions of rands. But at the time of the scandal, Zuma's account wasn't closed." But hardly 3 months after Zuma formed a new political party, his bank account is closed. He added that even when Zuma was arrested and sent to jail in July 2021, which resulted in a wave of civil unrest, and 354 people were killed, and shops across the country, mainly in Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal, were looted, Zuma's bank account wasn't closed, and said Zuma was forced out of public office in 2018 when he was pressured to resign as president of the country, and the Guptas left South Africa in 2016. When Zuma launched the MK Party in December last year, he claimed he was trying to rescue the ANC from its leadership. This includes his successor, Cyril Ramaphosa, whom he accused of being corrupt and destroying the oldest liberation movement in Africa. Earlier this year, the ANC's National Executive Committee, NEC, suspended Zuma's membership in the party after he aligned with the MK Party and publicly encouraged people to vote out the ANC out of power in the upcoming elections that will take place on 29 May. Zuma defied the NEC's instruction for him to explain why his party membership shouldn't be cancelled and why he should not be expelled from the organization. He served more than 40 years in different positions. MK Party spokesperson Tlamulo Ndlela confirmed that Zuma's bank accounts were indeed closed by FNB and said it's clear that the ANC of Ramaphosa is leveraging on its white monopoly capital relationship to punitively and aggressively defame, dehumanize and destabilize former President Zuma and MK Party using all economic levers at their disposal. They will stop at nothing. It is a further confirmation that we need to change this constitution that allows banks in this country to do as they please. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.